So if you've just got a Tesla, using a supercharger can be a little bit daunting for the first time. So in this video, I'm going to show you how the supercharger works.
Okay, so before we jump on how to physically use a supercharger, there are a couple of tips to help you get the best out of supercharging. First of all, if you plan your journey through your Tesla's sat-nav, not only will it guide you along the route with superchargers, but it will also tell you how long you need to spend at each one. You can even tap onto each supercharger to see how many stalls are available. Now, it's a good idea to set a supercharger as your destination. The reason for this is that when you set off on your journey, your car will begin to preheat the batteries when you're close to the supercharger so that you can charge at the fastest speeds possible. They still work fine without doing this, however, it can take a few more minutes to get that full charge. Now, as you pull up to a supercharger, you'll often find they are hidden in the corners of service stations, so just make sure to look out for the signs. Now, a big tip here. You'll see each charger is paired, and what I mean by that is that there's usually a 2A and a 2B, for example. You'll want to make sure you leave a space between you and another driver if possible, because if one car is on 2A and you're on 2B, the charging speed will decrease for both of you as you're both using the same charging stall. Okay, so now you're parked, all you need to do is grab and pull out the top CCS charger. They can be a little bit stiff to pull out, but once you've got them out, simply press the little button on the handle to open your charge port and plug in. It's as easy as that. Now, from within your Tesla, you can see how quickly your car will charge, and you can also set your charging limits. Now, it can be very tempting to set the charge to 100%. However, please note that the last 10% of the charge seems to take ages. So it's actually recommended for you to do a fast charge up to 80% and then use another charger along your journey to top up. And that can really speed up your journey. Okay, now that's done, go and grab yourself some well-earned lunch. You will get a notification to come back to your car when it's nearly charged, and you want to make sure that you're back right away because you can be charged up to £1 per minute for every minute of idle time. Also, once you're done, you simply can't just pull the charging cable out of your car. You will need to go back into your car or use your Tesla app to stop the charge and unlock the charging port. Now, you can see on the bottom right corner the cost of your supercharging here, and this will also appear in your Tesla account. Now, this supercharge for me was actually completely free of charge, as I used someone's referral link when I bought my car. Now, if you want 1,000 free supercharging miles, I've put my link in the description below in case you want to use that.
So this is actually the first time I've used the supercharger. We're doing a journey from Manchester all the way down to Cornwall. So if you want to see that full trip where we're going to see if range anxiety is a thing and how we get on using the Tesla for a 2-week road trip, make sure you hit that notification bell when you subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.